Welcome to DIY Future Project. DIY is an Erasmus Plus funded project aiming at teaching young people DIY skills to increase the lifetime of products and sustainable consumption. Have you ever heard an inspiring story from an entrepreneur and thought, I can do that too? Their optimism and self-belief can be contagious, right? But let me ask you, how often do we stop to consider the challenges they faced or the mistakes they made along the way? In this module, we are going to explore something essential: self-awareness and self-efficacy. These are the tools that help successful entrepreneurs balance their dreams with reality. Self-awareness means having a clear understanding of your personal goals, strengths, and motivations. It's about recognizing not just what you are good at, but also the areas where you can improve. And self-efficacy? That's your belief in your ability to achieve those goals. It's the confidence to say, yes, I can do this, even when faced with challenges. Throughout this module, we'll help you reflect on your strengths, identify areas for growth, and build the skills you need to take on new ventures with both optimism and preparation. Keep learning by exploring DIY Future contents on the website www.diyfuture.eu.